a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n minus 1 n plus 1 the whole upon a raised to n plus b raised to n is the am between a and b. Find n. Now what is am? Am means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means what? It's just the average. Means what is the am between 2 and 4? Arithmetic mean between 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 upon 2, that is 6. What is the arithmetic mean between, let's say, 3 and 6? So 3 plus 6 upon 2, that is 9 upon 2, 4.5. Similarly, am is a plus b upon 2. That is the meaning of am. So arithmetic mean is given as what? A raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1 upon a raised to n plus b raised to n. So am a plus b upon 2 equals to all this right hand side. A n plus 1, b n plus 1, a n, b n. Okay. So cross this and solve. So a plus b into a raised to n plus b raised to n equals to 2 into a raised to n plus 1 plus b raised to n plus 1. Solve this. Therefore a into a raised to n plus a into b raised to n plus b into a raised to n plus b into b raised to n. Right? We are solving the brackets of left hand side equals to, now right hand side, 2 into a n plus 1 plus 2 into b n plus 1. Right? Solve this again. Go on solving. So a raised to n plus 1 plus ab raised to n plus ba raised to n, this one, plus b raised to n plus 1 equals to this right hand side as it is, 2a raised to n plus 1 plus 2b n raised to n plus 1. Take everything on one side. So what you get? 2a n plus 1 minus a n plus 1. So it becomes a raised to n plus 1 minus ab raised to n minus ba raised to n plus b raised to n plus 1, because here it is 2 and here is 1. So solve this again. Therefore a raised to n into a, this one, plus minus ab raised to n minus, now this, take this in bracket, you get b a raised to n minus b b raised to n. Right? So solve this again. We get a common from this side and it becomes a into a raised to n minus b raised to n minus b common from this side, a raised to n minus b raised to n. Now a raised to n minus b raised to n common and you get a minus b over here. So 0 equals to a minus b into a raised to n minus b raised to n. So what does it mean? Either a minus b equals to 0 or a raised to n minus b raised to n equals to 0. We want n. So this a minus b equals to 0 is of no use to us, right? So forget this. Focus on this. A raised to n minus b raised to n equals to 0. Therefore a raised to n equals to b raised to n. Bring b raised to n below on the left hand side. So it becomes a upon b the whole raised to n equals to 1. But what is when anything is raised to 1? When is it 1? So when the raised to is 0, means 2 raised to 0 is 1, 100 raised to 0 is 1, anything raised to 0 is 1. That means n will be equals to what? 0. That's why this is 1. So n equals to, we get 0. Right? This is the required answer. So final answer is n equals to 0. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sync behind those videos on a daily